Imagine driving across a bridge you've crossed 1,000 times before. The road feels solid, the structure looks strong. Nothing seems wrong, and yet, somewhere deep inside that concrete and steel, tiny cracks are forming, movements so small no human eye can see them. Warnings so silent they go unheard until it's too late. Every year, bridges around the world collapse without warning. Lives are lost, cities and investigations always arrive after the disaster. But what if I told you that satellites orbiting hundreds of kilometers above Earth can now detect these dangers before bridges fail? What if space technology, originally designed to study planets and stars, is now being used to protect lives right here on Earth? Today on ADID, we explore a groundbreaking collaboration between NASA and ISRO, one that could quietly transform global infrastructure safety and change how disasters are prevented forever. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. Setting the stage, a global problem hiding in plain sight. Bridges are the backbone of modern civilization. They connect cities, support economies, carry millions of vehicles every single day. Yet many of the world's bridges share a dangerous truth. They are old, overused, and in many countries, bridges were built decades ago. Traffic loads have doubled or tripled, climate stress has intensified. Maintenance budgets are limited, engineers rely heavily on manual inspections. Visual checks done once or twice a year. But here's the problem. Most structural failures don't start with visible cracks. They begin with millimeter-level shifts inside the structure. By the time damage is visible, the risk is already extreme. This is where space enters the story. Why space agencies care about bridges at first glance. NASA and ISRO don't seem like organizations concerned with bridges. NASA explores space. ISRO launches satellites, but both agencies specialize in something incredibly valuable: remote sensing. Rather imaging, measuring tiny movements from orbit for years. Satellites have monitored earthquakes, volcanoes, land subsidence, glaciers, and tectonic shifts. The same technology can detect movements as small as a few millimeters. That's smaller than the width of a fingernail. Engineers realized something powerful. If satellites can measure the Earth moving, they can measure bridges moving too. The NASA-ISRO collaboration explained according to the Times of India. NASA and ISRO are now working together to apply advanced satellite radar technology to monitor the structural health of bridges worldwide. At the center of this effort is a technique called INS, our interferometric synthetic aperture radar. Here's how it works. Simply, satellites send radar signals toward Earth. The signals bounce back from structures like bridges over time. Satellites compare changes in position. Even tiny movements are detected and measured. This allows scientists to track deformation, detect stress accumulation, identify early warning signs, all without touching the bridge. No sensors installed, no traffic disruption, no human risk. Why this is a breakthrough? Traditional bridge monitoring has three major limitations. Its reactive inspections often happen after damage is suspected. It's expensive. Installing physical sensors on thousands of bridges is costly. It's limited. You can't monitor every bridge continuously. Satellite monitoring changes everything. With space-based observation, thousands of bridges can be monitored at once. Data is continuous. Remote or inaccessible locations are covered. Early warnings become possible. Instead of asking, "Has this bridge failed?" engineers can ask, "Is this bridge starting to fail?" That shift saves lives. Why this matters globally: bridge collapses are not rare events. From Asia to Europe, from the Americas to Africa, aging infrastructure is a global issue. Climate change has added new stress. Flooding weakens foundations, heat expands. Materials, extreme weather accelerates decay. Many developing nations lack the resources for advanced inspection systems. That's why this collaboration matters. Satellite data doesn't care about borders. A bridge in India, a highway in Africa, a railway in South America, all can be monitored using the same space-based tools. This turns infrastructure safety into a global, shared solution. The technology behind the scenes: ISRO has long been a leader in Earth observation satellites. NASA brings decades of experience in radar imaging and data analysis. Together, they combine high-resolution satellite data, advanced algorithms, AI-driven pattern recognition. The system doesn't just look for movement, it looks for patterns. Repeated stress cycles, gradual deformation, asymmetrical shifts. These patterns help engineers decide which bridges need inspection, which need repair, which are at risk of failure. This is predictive infrastructure safety. WHY warnings usually come too late when bridges collapse. Investigations often reveal missed warning signs, budget constraints, lack of data. The truth is harsh. Most disasters are not sudden. They are ignored processes. NASA and ISRO system doesn't eliminate risk, but it dramatically reduces surprise. And in engineering, surprise is the enemy. Real-world applications beyond bridges. This technology doesn't stop at bridges. The same system can monitor dams, railways, buildings, roads, entire cities in earthquake-prone zones. Satellites can detect ground shifts before cracks appear. In flood zones, they can monitor foundation stability. This is space technology quietly protecting daily life. What this tells us about the future, this collaboration signals a bigger shift. Space agencies are no longer just explorers of the universe. They are becoming guardians of Earth. The future of safety will not rely only on human eyes, but on machines that never sleep, never blink, and never miss millimeter-level change. 3 key takeaways. Disasters can be predicted, not just responded to. Early data saves lives. Space technology has real-world impact. Satellites on distant, they protect everyday infrastructure. Global cooperation matters. When nations collaborate, everyone benefits. Final thought, the most dangerous failures are not sudden collapses. They are the slow ones no one notices. Until now. If you found this story, I hope if it changed how you see bridges, technology, or space, then you're in the right place. This is ISRO, where science, technology, and real-world impact come together. Like the video to support this content. Subscribe for deep stories that matter, and Saritis, because the future of safety depends on awareness. I'll see you in the next one.